If Spotify keeps pausing on your PC, here are two methods that can help fix the issue. First, open your browser and sign into your Spotify account on Spotify's website. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon and open account. Scroll down to the Security and Privacy section and select Sign Out Everywhere. This will log your account out of all devices currently connected to. After that, open Spotify on your PC again and sign back in. This often fixes playback issues caused by account conflicts between multiple devices. If Spotify is still pausing, try the second method. Open Discord on your PC and click the settings icon. Next, go to Connections. If your Spotify account is linked to Discord, click the X next to Spotify and choose Disconnect. Once the connection is removed, close Discord and test Spotify again. In some cases, disconnecting Spotify from Discord resolves unexpected playback interruptions. Hopefully one of these methods fixes the problem and gets your music playing normally again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.